Hello, welcome to the Python Now YouTube channel. This is the second video dedicated to working with a data type called string. If you missed the first part, you can find a link in the description below this video. Be sure to watch it. Today I will talk about string methods and their slices and why you need to know all of this. Before we dive into the topic, I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to all of you who have subscribed to my channel and shown your support by liking my videos. Your feedback means a lot to me and it motivates me to create more valuable content for you. So thank you for being a part of this community and for helping me to grow as a content creator. So what exactly are methods? If you are familiar with built-in functions like print and type, then you already have a good starting point. Just like those functions, methods are tools that help us work with data in Python. However, methods are functions that are associated with a particular class, and we use to perform operation on data stored in instance of that class. In Python, a class is a blueprint that defines the properties and behaviors of a particular data type. For example, the string class defines how text data is stored and manipulated in Python. In this tutorial, we are focusing on the string class in Python. Even if you are not yet familiar with the concept of classes, don't worry, you can still benefit from understanding the basics of string methods. Every string in Python comes equipped with a set of built-in methods that allows us to manipulate and analyze text data. To see a list of all string methods, you can use this code or type a dot, and if you are using any IDE, it will provide you with hints in the drop-down list of available methods. To call any string method, create a variable with any string, type a dot, and then specify the name of the method you want to use. The list of methods available for working with strings might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. With time and practice, you will become familiar with the most commonly used methods, and some of the less frequently used ones may not be needed. So, take it one step at a time and focus on the methods that are most relevant to your specific tasks. There are simple methods such as lower and upper that convert a string to lowercase and uppercase respectively. One of the most useful methods is replace. It allows you to replace a value in a string with something else. Here you need to pass two parameters in parentheses. The first parameter is what to replace, and the second one is what to replace it with. Sometimes you need to check if a string starts or ends with a particular value, such as checking a file name for its extension. For this, there are startswith and endswith methods, respectively, which return true or false. Here's an example of how you could use it in practice. Here we check if the file has a JPG or PNG extension and then output the corresponding message in the console. Another frequently used method in practice is split. It allows you to split a string into a list of substrings using a specific separator. We specify in parentheses that the separator in the device string will be a comma with a space. Sometimes you need to remove extra spaces from a string. For this, there is a strip method, and with lstrip or rstrip methods, you can remove spaces from the left or right respectively. We will stop here for now, but I recommend checking out the other methods like isAlpha, isDigit, capitalize, count, and index. We are moving on to the next part, which is string slicing. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters that cannot be changed once created. It's like a word or sentence that you write down and cannot change later. Just like in book, every character in a string has a specific place or index that starts at 0, not 1. For example, having a string myString equals Python now, you can access the first letter P by writing this code. And you can access the last letter W by writing this code. So by specifying -2, we get the second to last character. That is, we can retrieve the letters from the beginning as well as from the end. You can also get a range of characters from a string by using what's called slicing. This is helpful when you want to extract a specific part of the string. For example, to get the word Python from Python now, you can use this code. The first number 0 is the starting index, and the second number 6 is the ending index. If you don't specify the starting index, Python assumes you want to start from the beginning, so you can write this code to get just Python. You can also specify a third number, which is a step. This allows you to get every nth character in a string. For example, to get every other character in this string, you can use this code. And if we don't specify a range and set the step equals to -1, we will get a reversed string. Slicing is a powerful tool in Python and is used in many different applications. By practicing and playing around with it, you can quickly learn how to work with it. Using methods and slices is essential in coding, so I highly recommend that you become proficient in them. To achieve this, I will provide exercises for you to practice in each of my videos. If you find my videos helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.